The focus of this video will be to do item 5. The question is asking to find the length BD. So if I look at the given diagram, I need to work out how far it is from B up to D. So there's B and there's D. So if I look at just the rectangle ABCD, if I quickly draw that here, this is A, B, C, D. I'm looking for BD, that's 90 degrees at A. This is 6 and that is 8. So I can use Pythagoras. So according to Pythagoras, BD squared will equal AB squared plus AD squared. I can substitute. AB is 6 and AD is 8. So 6 squared, 36. 8 squared is 64. Together it's 100. If I backtrack the square, I just need to take the square root of 100, and that is 10. And don't forget the units. There's the units in the diagram, centimeters. And this was from Pythagoras. Thank you.